Constable Sean Shapiro, is it legal to drive at night with your interior lights on?
Amazingly, although I was raised in a household that told me it was illegal because the police were going to pull us over, it is actually not illegal to have your interior lights on while driving. It's not a good idea. It does mess with your night vision, your ability to see out of the car. So we don't suggest you do it, but it's not illegal.
Do you think that your dad or your mom told you that because they just didn't want you to put the light on?
I think that in some states, in some places, it may actually not be illegal. And, we're so heavily influenced by American television and movies that it just became something we misunderstood. Just like driving with no shoes. People think that it's illegal to drive barefoot, and it's not. Again, not suggested, because when you hammer down on that brake pedal in an emergency, you might hurt your toes, but it's not illegal.
See, I thought it was because, quite understandably, you could have a little pebble on a boot, and you embedded that that little pebble in the pedal, and then there you are in your barefoot, and you hit that pebble, and the natural inclination of your system is to pull back.
Well, that's certainly one potential, but I don't think it was ever written into law anywhere quite that way. At the end of the day, a shoe is a good thing to have. Now, listen, large boots, winter boots, we don't suggest driving with bulky boots that may interfere with your ability to properly press on an individual pedal, because very often we see collisions where someone goes to press the brakes and they hit the gas at the same time. Sometimes it's pedal confusion, sometimes it's bulky winter clothing. So we actually suggest driving shoes is a good way to go. And many people do that when they don't want to wear high heels because it's hard to drive in those. I've never had that experience, but you're switching into sneakers to drive and then switching into the less comfortable, better looking shoes when you're not.
If you have traffic questions, we've got traffic answers. Follow us for more.